Hello and welcome to this clip having a quick look at a carbon-carbon bond formation multiple choice question. It requires a couple of things from you. First of all, a pretty extensive knowledge of the OCR chemistry A organic reagents and conditions, and also specifically which ones involve the creation of carbon-carbon bonds. So it's definitely a second year question as opposed to a first year question. So it says, which of the following could react with the compound below to form a carbon-carbon bond? So it's also thinking about what functional groups are present and what they might do. So there's only a few reactions in A-level chemistry where this happens. Firstly, in aliphatic compounds, the cyanide ion behaves as a nucleophile to create a carbon-carbon single bond. So if we put the laser pointer on the aliphatic part of this molecule, we're thinking about somewhere around here. So we've got a bromine, we've got a carboxylic acid group as well. In terms of aromatic compounds, Friedel-Crafts acylation and alkylation will create electrophiles with a positively charged carbon atom, meaning that this atom is what bonds to the carbon in the benzene ring at the point of substitution. So you could substitute the hydrogens at any point here, where the laser pointer is. So let's now think about each of the places in the molecule. Let's start with the aromatic benzene ring. So your CH3Cl and AlCl3, that'll make a methyl positively charged ion, CH3+, which can then go and substitute in any of these places here. The KCN in ethanol will provide the cyanide ion. So that could go and react at this bond here, this polar carbon-bromine bond. So what about the carboxylic acids? Well, that will react with the final combination. The problem with them is they don't form a new carbon-carbon bond, and specifically they want you to think about what would form a carbon-carbon bond. So that really only leaves us with 1 and 2 as our possibles. So therefore B is the answer in this case. Okay, thanks for listening. Until next time, see you soon.